Converse of basic proportionality theorem, you know very well. When a line, basic proportionality theorem, you know very well. When a line drawn parallel to a side of a triangle, it divides the other two sides proportionately. If a line divides other two sides of a triangle proportionately, then it is parallel to the third side. We have to check whether the line EF is parallel to QR or not. Exercise 2.2, you have already read the problem. In CBSE textbook, it is 6.2, second problem of the exercise. Solution for first problem, you have to take down the, draw a rough triangle. You need not draw the triangle, right angle triangle. Any shape you can give, this is the rough figure. Any line you draw, then mark the point P, E, Q, P, F, R, like that. Otherwise you can't solve. You take, okay, we have all taken down. Then we have to see PE by EQ is equal to 3.9 by 3. Very easy problem. 3 ones are 3, 3 1.3s are. So the answer is 1.3 centimeter. Then you have to take this ratio PF by FR, 3.6 by 2.4. Both are the factors of 12. 12 2s are 24, 12 3s are 36. Here only one decimal point is there. You can neglect it. So the answer is 3 by 2. That is equal to 1.5 centimeter. 2 ones are 2. Carry 1 point. 2 5s are. PE. So what happens? PE by EQ is not equal to PF by FR. So, EF is not parallel to QR. Let us go to the second problem. You have already read this one. Okay, you take down all the values like this. Then apply the ratio PE by EQ. 4 by 4.5. It is also very easy. This becomes 40, this becomes 45. So 5 9s are 40, 5 8s are 40, 5 9s are 45. So 9 by 8. For the this ratio PF by FR, 8 by 9. So you can readily say that it is the ratios are proportional to each other. So PE by EQ is equal to PF by FR. So EF line is parallel to QR. Very interesting, very easy. Third problem. You have to note all the given items. Here they have given PQ and here also PR they have given, and PE, PF is equal to, okay, you can readily write PE by PQ and PF by FR by the converse of corollary of BPT. You already know corollary of BPT, converse of corollary of BPT. If you want to write the reason for this, you write converse of corollary of BPT. Okay. 0.18 by 1.28. Here also very easy because two decimal points are there. Both of get cancels by 2. 2 2 9s are 18, 2 6 are, 2 4s are. So 9 by 64. In this side, PF by FR is equal to, both get cancelled by which number? 4. 4 9s are 36, 4 6 are 24, 4 4s are 64. So not 4 4s are 16. So 64 is the answer. So this ratio is equal to this ratio. So PE by EQ is equal to PF by PR. So the line EF is parallel to QR. If you are not happy with this method, you want to use converse of BPT, you have to find out EQ. Here I have find out PQ by minus PE, 1.28 minus 0.18, that is equal to 1.10. Here also you have to find out FR. FR is equal to PR minus PF, that is equal to 2.2 centimeter. Henceforth, you know all the steps. Very easy steps. Here the ratio comes 9 by 55. Both are same. So the line, here you have to write if they ask it for 2 marks question. So parallel. Some problems are for you. Read this and solve. Very easy problem. Here you have to check if it is parallel or not. Very easy. You can tell by glancing itself. Here little bit difficult you have to do. Okay. Thank you.